Whoa! Is this shining club moss? Hey, look! It's shining club moss, Huperzia lucidula. This is a type of a club moss, a type of a lycopod, very cool lycopod, that it's a club moss that doesn't have its spores in clubs. The sporangia, instead of being aggregated into really reduced leaves at the tip that are spirally arranged and look like a club, these sporangia, they don't join clubs. They're kind of rugged individualists, and they're found in the axils of normal, ordinary foliage leaves. And they also reproduce asexually with these big sort of like wing-shaped gemmi. Let's take a close look at this Huperzia lucidula, shining club moss. Here's shining club moss, Huperzia lucidula, a club moss that really doesn't deserve the name club moss because the sporangia, instead of being in reduced leaves that are formed into a spirally cone that looks like a club, the sporangia, as you can see here, are in the axils of normal-looking foliage leaves. It also reproduces asexually by producing these little plantlets, these little gemmi. They aren't that little, actually. It takes a lot of investment to make these asexual reproductive structures. And they're probably an adaptation for spreading on a site where there already is this club moss, because it's obviously an ideal site for a club moss like this to grow. And the sexually produced spores, with all the genetic variation in their tiny size, can be dispersed far and wide and find new places to grow. Two means of reproducing with two separate advantages. Shining club moss, Huperzia lucidula.